self-induction. Last class I explained eddy current. What are its advantages and disadvantages? You were there? Kamil was there last time?
No, sir, my speaker was not working.
अच्छा अच्छा, मैंने शायद वो रिकॉर्डेड भेजा है ना?
नहीं.
नहीं, मैं तो रिकॉर्ड किया था उससे, शायद मेरे हिसाब से भेजा है, एक मिनट चेक करता हूँ। नहीं भेजा ना, चलो आज भेज देता हूँ, फिर देख लेना। Madam, Vrunda is not well. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, I will. I will. Self-induction. हेलो करण।
यस सर।
आपने 12th साइंस क्यों लिया ऐसा? कोई बोला कि आपको लगा साइंस अच्छा लगता है इसके लिए?
नहीं, अच्छा लगता है इसलिए।
अच्छा, मतलब आपको खुद को फील हुआ ना, आई शुड टेक साइंस सो दैट आई एंजॉय माई, दैट इज कॉल्ड सेल्फ इंडक्शन। कभी कभी कोई कोई क्या करता है, बाजू वाला अगर कर रहा है कोई काम तो वो भी उसको देख के करने लगता है, उसको बोलते हैं म्यूचुअल। ये म्यूचुअल वाला लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल होना बहुत डेंजरस है इसका। सेल्फ वाला सक्सेसफुल होगा, सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड। सो इफ आई एम सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड, मैं तो खुद में चेंजेस करूंगा ना, विदाउट एनीबडी हेल्पिंग मी। सो द फिनोमिनन ऑफ EMF induced, phenomenon of EMF induced by changing current in the same coil is called as self-induction. The phenomenon of EMF induced in a coil, phenomenon of EMF induced in a coil by changing current in the same coil is called self-induction. Okay, this much clear? What is self-induction? Phenomenon of EMF induced in a coil by changing current in the same coil is called self-induction. I think you followed now meaning. But to get induction, we require flux. That means this current passing might be creating flux. That means magnetic field. So let phi be flux per turn. So can I say total flux depends upon current I for N turn. Hello, not followed?
Yes.
So for
For
N turn coil, N phi is dependent on current. So N phi equals to some constant into I, where L is constant called as coefficient of self induction or self inductance. Please write this much theory. Very important. One question definitely will come in entrance or in MCQ of board. This Friday come ya no lecture in the evening? Huh?
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Done, na?
Yes, sir.
So L is constant called as coefficient of self-induction or self-inductance. By Faraday's and Lenz's law, induced EMF, comma E is rate of change of flux but in opposite direction. This rate of change of flux for N turn, we got minus d by dt of Li. Okay. So can I say E is minus L di by dt? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes.
E is L minus L di by dt. Negative sign indicates that the EMF opposes the change. If di by dt is 1 ampere per second, then E becomes minus L. Thus, self-inductance is defined as self-induced EMF when current changes at the rate of 1 ampere per second. Right now, By Faraday's and Lenz's law, induced EMF E is minus d phi by dt, which is d by dt of Li, L di by dt. If di by dt is 1 ampere per second, E is minus L. Thus, self-inductance is defined as self-induced EMF when current changes at the rate of 1 ampere per second.
The answer.
It's SI, unit is Henry, denoted by H. So since E is L, di by dt. So L will become E dt upon Ti. Voltage upon current is called as what? Resistance, na?
Yes, sir.
So SI unit of inductance L, which voltage upon current, which is resistance, that means ohm, dt is second. So SI unit is also ohm second, right?
Yes, sir.
Write down this much. Second, sometimes they can ask, what will be dimension of R by L? R is in ohm, inductance ohm second, ohm cancel, it is 1 upon second. That means it is similar to that of frequency dimension, which is t raised to minus 1. 2-3 times they have asked it.
Done.
Derive expression for energy stored in an inductor. Do you know this correct formula for energy stored in an inductor? Current
Yes, sir. Can you repeat? I did not hear.
heading I have written. Can you tell the formula of this? Energy
Uh,
stored in an inductor.
Energy, just random. Thing.
Hmm?
Energy stored in an inductor. Now,
हाँ.
याद नहीं आ रहा था.
हाफ Li स्क्वायर है फॉर्मूला.
हाँ. LI फिर हाँ हाँ.
Yes, sir. नहीं वो आया तो खाली उसे फोन करने बोलना, मैं उससे बात करता हूँ अच्छे से. यस. नहीं कोई बात नहीं, वो अगर आया है ना तो खाली बोलना कि सर को थोड़ा बात करना है अगला डिस्कशन के लिए, बस इतना मैं बात करता हूँ. नहीं वो क्या, देखिए आपके साइड से भी थोड़ा केयर होना चाहिए. मैं तो प्यार से समझा दूंगा, फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट और वर्ड यूज करूंगा. यस यस मैडम. वो तो ठीक है, वो तो क्या है, अगर बच्चे को बाहर घूमना है उसको तो फोन बंद करके ही घूमेगा ना. ठीक है, वो आएगा तो फोन करने बोले आप. मैडम देखिए, बचपन से ना बच्चों को थोड़ा कंट्रोल में रखना चाहिए. मैं तो डांटूंगा, लेकिन पेरेंट्स का ही जवाबदारी है थोड़ा कंट्रोल करना. टीचर काउंसलर हमेशा नहीं हो सकता ना. आप बोलिए, मैं उसे समझाऊंगा, मैं देखता हूँ. ठीक. Derive expression for energy stored in an inductor. Consider, see this we have to prove, huh? Consider an inductor of inductance L. let E be the induced current, induced EMF when current changes at the rate of di by dt. By Faraday's and Lenz's law, E equals to minus L di by dt. Now, if I consider only magnitude, because energy is a scalar quantity, in magnitude E is L di by dt. Please copy this much. Kamya, you are knowing this formula? E energy stored is half Li square in inductor.
No, sir.
Okay, don't worry, don't worry. अभी याद हो जाएगा. Yes, completed full till E is L di by dt. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
हाँ sir.
Okay. But we all know E is dw upon dq or not? Work done to move the charge. So can I say dw upon dq is L di by dt or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So dw is L dq by dt of di. What is dq by dt called as? I, which is current, correct? No? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So dw is L, current I di. So total work done, comma W is integration of dw when current changes from 0 to I. So we can say this is L I di from 0 to I, which is L I square upon 2 from 0 to I, which will be half L I square minus 0 square. That is half Li square. And work done is nothing but energy stored. Okay?
Yes, sir.
एकदम simple है ना? That is energy stored, comma, denoted by usually U is half Li square. How was your paper?
Good, sir.
Paper was very good?
Yeah.
मतलब 2-3 कॉइन लेके गए थे क्या साथ में?
नहीं, क्यों?
नहीं मतलब टॉस किया, अगर रखा आ गया, अगर छापा काटा हेड टेल, तो ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं ना?
नहीं सर।
कितने, ईमानदारी से बोलो, कितना खुद से किया सॉल्व?
सर खुद से ही किया पेपर।
नहीं, पेपर तो आपने खुद से किया, लेकिन सॉल्व
हाँ,
करके आंसर वो राइट है ऐसा चेक करके कि कितने सम किए?
चेक करके
मतलब कभी कभी हम लोग क्या, ऐसा ना भगवान का नाम लेते हैं ना, ऐसा
नहीं।
फर्स्ट का
अच्छा,
ये।
तुक्का।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
तुक्का, जो नहीं समझ आया क्वेश्चन उसको फ्लूक में छोड़ दिया मैंने फिर।
अच्छा, लेकिन मार्क नहीं किया ना?
मार्क नहीं किया
मतलब फ्लुक में छोड़ दिया, लेकिन उसको ऐसा सर्कल विर्कल नहीं किया ना आपने?
नहीं, एबीसीडी कुछ भी जो समझ नहीं आया वो मार्क कर दिया कुछ भी।
अच्छा, ऐसे कितने सम को मार्क किए?
ऐसे ज्यादा नहीं थे सर, दो तीन ही थे।
और बाकी सब आपको आ रहा था?
हाँ सर।
हाँ देखो, वी शुड बी ट्रांसपेरेंट। नहीं आ रहा था तो वी हैव टू इम्प्रूव। लेकिन अगर झूठा बोलेंगे तो इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हो सकता है, ये हमेशा याद रखो लाइफ। ओनली इफ यू आर गेनिंग समथिंग विच विल बी ऑफ योर गुड गुडनेस फॉर द लाइफ, तो थोड़ा झूठा या तो गलत कर सकते हैं। मतलब फाइनल एग्जाम में सपोज आपको लग रहा है कि 5 मार्क मुझे बाजू वाला बता रहा है और मुझे नहीं आ रहा है, तो कॉपी कर लो एक बार, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, चलो चलेगा। बट खुद से डोंट बी डिसऑनेस्ट। इफ इन केस यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग, रिवील इट सो दैट वी कैन सॉर्ट इट आउट।
यस।
पूरा करो। यस, कंप्लीटेड।
यस।
हाँ सर।
अभी देखो, एंट्रेंस का एडवांटेज क्या है? यू हैव टू ओनली रिमेंबर फॉर्मूला, नॉट द प्रूफ। एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन इंडक्टर हाफ एल आई स्क्वायर। नेक्स्ट। show that for a solenoid, inductance L proportional N square. N means number of turns. So since N times flux equals to Li, correct no?
हाँ.
For what is formula for flux? A into B. Flux phi equals to area into B.
Yes.
And for N turn it is NAB. Our flux is for 1 ton. Huh? So this phi is AB, correct now?
Yes.
So can I say NEB is Li?
Yes.
But for solenoid, have you studied? B is mu naught into Ni. Have you studied this? Number of turns per unit length into I.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, can I say Na into mu naught Na upon Li equals to Li? See this L ऐसे लिखता हूँ तो टर्न्स और इंडक्टेंस में कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा. So both side I cancel or not? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So it is mu
Yes,
naught N square A upon L. So can I say therefore L is proportional to N square? So this is again important formula. Self-inductance in solenoid is mu naught N square A upon L. Therefore L proportional N square. Okay. Copy till end. Yes, completed.
completed, sir.
Okay. Current please बाहर करो formula सब बराबर है.
हाँ, sir.
Show that energy density, मुझे लग रहा है इस पे का MCQ आएगा इस बार आप 12th में. Energy density in inductor is du upon dv is half b square upon mu naught. dv मतलब volume. Energy density means energy stored per unit volume. Hello.
Yes, sir.
energy stored per unit volume, that is energy density comma du upon dv equals to half Li square upon area into length. I hope you followed this much. This much you have followed.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please copy this much, then I'm rearranging to get required answer. Can I clear?
Just a second.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
So L I have to remove and get B in that place. Since B is mu naught number of turns per unit length into current, and L is mu naught n square into A upon L. Okay. Hello.
हाँ सर.
So in place of B, from here I can replace this N. एक मिनट इधर आ गया. So N can be written as BL upon mu naught I. Okay. So L will become mu naught. N is B L upon mu naught I the whole square into A by L. So this inductance L is mu naught P square L square upon mu naught I square into A by L. One L you can cancel. Okay. Hello.
हाँ सर.
और ये म्यू नॉट स्क्वायर है ना, तो एक म्यू नॉट भी कैंसिल हो गया. So L I square equals to B square into L into A upon mu naught. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So half Li square will be half BL square AL upon mu naught. Therefore half Li square upon AL is half P square upon mu naught. I hope you followed, I think. So from 1 and 2, energy stored per unit volume will be half B square upon mu naught. Okay.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा खिचड़ी है ना जरा. So please write and practice so that you can understand the adjustment. See, Kamya, do you know what is energy stored per unit volume in medium near charge conductor? It is half epsilon into E square, na? इन इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक वी हैव डन।
हाँ
तो ये वही है, हाफ हाफ ई स्क्वायर का बी स्क्वायर। अभी म्यू नॉट अपॉन 4 पाई 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट का मैचिंग मैचिंग है ना।
हाँ
तो 1/एप्सिलॉन इस म्यू नॉट, तो एप्सिलॉन 1/म्यू नॉट हो गया, कंपेयर
हाँ
करके।
अंडरस्टूड। हाँ
चलो सॉल्व कर लो पूरा।
करते
done sir.
So self inductance fully I have completed everything. Now mutual inductance थोड़ा सा definition तक तो I can complete for you. Please revise and keep ready with yourself. Don't just write because I am writing and you are copying. Mutual inductance, the phenomenon of EMF induced in a secondary coil by changing current in a primary coil is called as mutual induction. The phenomenon of EMF induced in secondary coil by changing current in a primary coil is called as mutual induction. Please write definition. Which coil is primary coil? Wherever we pass current, that is primary, and wherever we get the current, that is secondary. Just remember every time this. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Wherever
Yes.
we pass current, that is primary, and where we get the current, that is secondary.
Answer.
Yeah? Let phi s be flux per turn with secondary coil of ns turn when current in primary changes by DIP. Current changes in when current change in primary is IP. So we can say number of flux Ns into phi s associated with secondary will be current flowing through primary. So this is Ns phi s equals to MIP, where M is a constant called as coefficient of mutual induction or mutual inductance. Please copy this much.
इसका आंसर।
So that's all for today. Next lecture we'll see again what is formula for EMF induced and formula for M in case of solenoid. हेलो,
तो मेरा लेक्चर कब होगा, फ्राइडे को कि सैटरडे?
नहीं ये फ्राइडे एक्चुअली मैं हूँ नहीं,